Welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to talk about various file type support in Windows or PC. So there are many different file type support. The first type of file support is our document. In document there are several type of file support: doc and docx, Microsoft Word documents, PDF, portable document format for preserving formatting, text, plain text documents, RTF, rich text format for basic formatting, images. In images, several type of files supported: JPEG, JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, commonly used for photos; PNG, portable network graphics for images with transparency; GIF, graphics interchange format for animated images; BMP, bitmap, older format often larger file size; audio. In audio there are many file types available: MP3, MPEG-1 audio layer 3, popular compressed audio format; web, waveform audio file format, uncompressed audio; FLAC, free lossless audio codec, high quality lossless compression; video, MP4, MPG4, Part 14, commonly used for video format; AVI, audio video interleave, older video format; MOV, QuickTime Movie, Apple Associate format; other common type: zip, RAR, compressed file, exe, executable files program; DLL, dynamic link library, essential for software; PPT and PPTX, PowerPoint presentation. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new about file type. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.